Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the product. Unity Ads offers a comprehensive platform for monetizing your mobile games and apps. Whether you're an indie developer or part of a larger studio, Unity's ad solution is designed to maximize your revenue while maintaining a positive player experience. Integrating Unity Ads is seamlessly woven into the Unity development environment, simplifying the process of incorporating advertisements. This tight integration allows for a streamlined workflow, from implementation to management and optimization. A key advantage of using Unity Ads is its vast, global reach. This extensive network connects your game with a massive audience, increasing the likelihood of finding the right users for your product and maximizing your ad fill rate. The platform supports a variety of ad formats, including rewarded video, interstitial ads, and banner ads, giving you the flexibility to choose the best fit for your game and audience. Rewarded video ads, in particular, are a popular choice, as they provide players with in-game rewards in exchange for viewing an advertisement, fostering a non-intrusive and even beneficial advertising experience. Unity Ads offers sophisticated targeting options, allowing you to pinpoint specific demographics, interests, and player behaviors. This precise targeting ensures your ads are shown to the most relevant users, boosting engagement and conversion rates. Robust analytics tools within the platform provide valuable insights into ad performance, empowering you to continually refine your monetization strategy. You can track key metrics such as impressions, clicks, and revenue, enabling data-driven decisions to optimize your earnings. Beyond the technical aspects, Unity provides extensive documentation and support to guide you through the implementation and management of their ad solution. From detailed guides to responsive customer service, you'll find the resources you need to succeed with Unity Ads. They are constantly working to improve their platform, adding new features and functionalities to stay at the forefront of the mobile advertising landscape. Consider incorporating Unity Ads into your monetization strategy to unlock the potential of a powerful and versatile ad platform.